high sugar level in your blood can impair your heart, kidneys, eyes, and brain, among other body organs. Type 2 diabetes is most common in persons over the age of 40, although it is also becoming more prevalent in younger people. In type 2 diabetes, the body produces insulin but is unable to effectively use it. Your kidneys are essential because they keep your entire body in balance. Assist in maintaining a healthy blood pressure level. A illness like diabetes can cause kidney damage. When your kidneys are damaged, they are unable to filter your blood or perform other functions as efficiently as they should. What effects does diabetes have on your body? The sugar level in your blood rises when diabetes is not effectively controlled. Hyperglycemia, high blood sugar, can harm several organs, including the kidneys, heart, blood vessels, eyes, foot, and nerves. What causes kidney damage in people with diabetes? Diabetes can harm the kidneys by causing damage to the structures listed below. The kidneys' filtration units are lined with microscopic blood veins. High blood sugar levels might cause these arteries to become narrow and blocked over time. The kidneys become damaged when there isn't enough blood, and albumin, a form of protein, goes through these filters and ends up in the urine, where it shouldn't. The filtration units of the kidney are densely packed with tiny blood capillaries. High blood sugar levels might cause these arteries to become narrow and blocked over time. The nerves in your body might also be harmed by diabetes. Nerves transmit information from your brain to the rest of your body, including your bladder. Your kidneys might be damaged by the pressure of a full bladder. You may get a urinary tract infection if pee remains in your bladder for an extended period of time. Bacteria are microscopic creatures that can cause disease, similar to germs. The majority of persons with early kidney impairment have no symptoms. A urine test once a year is the best approach to detect early kidney impairment. It aids in the early detection of kidney impairment in diabetics. You can keep kidney disease from growing worse if you obtain the correct treatment. What should you do if you have diabetes and kidney disease? Keeping your blood sugar under control is the greatest strategy to avoid a slow kidney damage. This is normally accomplished with a combination of nutrition, exercise, and, if necessary, insulin or hypoglycemic medications to lower your blood sugar level. Maintaining good blood sugar control is the greatest method to prevent or slow kidney damage. Kidney failure is more likely if you have high blood pressure. Consult your doctor to determine what your blood pressure goal should be. Even if your blood pressure is normal, your doctor may advise you to take high blood pressure medications. According to research, these medications can help persons with diabetes, including those with normal blood pressure, reduce the loss of kidney function. Protein should be consumed in moderation by people with diabetes and kidney illness, but not in excess. According to research, eating less protein can help to delay kidney deterioration. You should consult a dietitian who specializes in kidney illness if you need to go on a low-protein diet. Limiting salt in your diet can aid in the regulation of high blood pressure and the reduction of body edema. This will help protect larger blood vessels, such as those in the brain and heart, from additional damage. Always see your doctor and have all tests done on a regular basis to keep track of your health. If you're satisfied with this video, then kindly subscribe our channel and give a like to motivate us to make more video on various health topics. Thank you.